Launch 9mm steel ball. The initial speed could be reached to 108 meters per second, same as the speed of 350 FPS. When install fishing device up, slingshot rifle can launch out common fish arrow. Fish arrow loads at the releaser. Fish wheel installed in the top of rifle. Keep the fishing line as smooth and taking fire. For fish hunting, to use double 1745 rubber bands is enough. Need not more strong rubber bands. When slingshot rifle set the optical sight, it will much better for a target precise shot down. Sighting is more far. Device design plays more safely. World Chang's cold weapon brings a quiet sporting time. The FLIMARS hunting slingshot rifle is not a contraband in all countries, as the drawing force is by rubber bands with economic ammo. Shooting game is not expensive anymore. The unique hunting slingshot rifle is unique products. Welcome local sports stores and resellers. We are professional slingshot rifles manufacturer located in China. Instead of DHL Express, when products ship by common air cargo or sea shipping in a bulk buying, the price is competitive. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to contact us for more wholesaler information. We ship to worldwide. I do appreciate incredible YouTube channel. Again, thanks for watching.